So I'm here at McDonald's and I'm gonna check out the Minions toys. Number. Okay, thank you. Alright. I got number 7, so I don't know what it is. I just got my Happy Meal and the toy, so I'm gonna unbox later. Just look at the rain. Waiting for it to open at the moment. So I'm just arrived at McD in JERUDONG. So I got another one. I just bought the Happy Meals hot cake and I got my toy, so going now. So it's time to unbox the Minion toys. Start with number 5. Yes. It's an aeroplane here. 12. Ooh, the one with the guitar. One with the guitar. This one, you see there is the line, so this must be the golden ones. Yes, I got the golden ones. Yeah, I got the golden. So the one that has the line here, see, it's different. This one got the line here, so this one means I think is the Golden Minion, the mark for Golden Minion on the plastic. So I got 6 at the moment, so I'm gonna unbox more in future. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.